Liaoning Province, the dual land sea gateway of northeastern China, is deeply integrating itself into the construction of the Belt and Road Initiative, with its advantages as a coastal region. As the cradle of China's equipment manufacturing industry, Liaoning Province has seen a boom in both traditional and digital manufacturing industries over the past decade. Over the past decade, with its strong industrial and manufacturing foundation, Liaoning has continued to develop its economy while adhering to the concept of green transformation, thus promoting people's well-being comprehensively and starting a new chapter of all-round revitalization.